Hey, it's Nandowski here with you today, and I want to show you how to play the song Open the Eyes of My Heart, Lord. It's such a beautiful, classic song. And Michael W. Smith starts it off really joyful, and it sounds like this. So that's kind of how the introduction works on the original song. It's just very happy and jolly. And I'm going to show you the details of how to play that if you want a second option to play it sort of slow. If you want more of like a slow. I'm going to go through both of these. There's two versions that you can do. I'm going to do the original first and then that slow one. So here's how you do that original one. Here's an E chord with your right hand. And instead of playing this B up here, I'm going to move it to this B over here. And this is called an inverted chord. Inverted chords are amazing. They totally changed my life. So instead of playing that B here, I'm going to play it here. And I'm going to skip out on this E for now. And all I'm going to play is this, which is third of E and then a second of E. So kind of like that. So watch. And you can hit on that bass E as often as you want. So, you know, to get that sound that you want. If you want it more quiet, just hit on it once. Or you can hit on it a lot. So it really depends on the sound that you want to create. And so you start off with that E here with your bass, and then you move on to B. And you're going to play the same thing with your right hand. And then you have an A chord. And you can play either up here, down here, so. And then you go back to E. So we did E, B, A, and then back to E. And you go straight into the verse. So that is the first option. And then the second option is to just do a quiet version of playing the same thing, except playing it just really still, like. So instead of playing that E chord like this, you can just do B and E on A. And then going back to E. So essentially, if you want to play the slow version, just play around with this, with these keys. Just kind of remember them. You're just playing through the verse, essentially, going back to E. And then you go into the verse, and the verse chords are identical. So you got your E. I'm gonna play it inverted. I could actually play the original E, just so it's helpful for beginners. So you're starting with E, G sharp, and B. And then with my left hand, I'm just gonna press on that octave. So open the eyes of my Lord. Again, you can play it inverted as well. Then you got your B. Open the eyes of my heart. I wanna see you. Just playing A. I wanna see you. Ending it off with the E. You can add that suspended 4 right here. It's kind of like an E suspended where you add that A, the 4th. And then you go into the verse again, playing the same thing. Got your B. See that's the verse for you. Now, going into the chorus, we're gonna bring in a lot more energy. So for the chorus, you're gonna have a B, high and lifted up, a C sharp minor, and then back to A, shining in the light of your glory, coming back to a B, and then again a B, pour out your power and love, C sharp minor, and then back to A, holy, 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 back to a B, and then if you want to do I Want to See You, you can go to back to E, I want to see you, and back into the verse. So I'm gonna go through that chorus with you again, from verse to chorus. So open the eyes of my heart, I wanna see you, I wanna see you, to see you high and lifted up, shining in the light of your glory. Again, a B suspended here. Pour out your power and love as we sing, holy, 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 I wanna see you. Again, that E suspended here. See you. Open the eyes of my Lord. So now you notice with my left hand, I might add like a flowy style. Kind of seems to decorate the song a little bit more. I go back into that verse, chorus, and then at the end, you can do like a holy, holy bridge. So holy, 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 I wanna see you. Holy, holy, holy. It's kind of a nice part at the end of the song, and the chords are again E and B, same as you played in the introduction, and then an A. Holy, 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 I wanna see you. So remember to use suspended chords for that E, especially at the ending. It just sounds so pretty. And then for the B, holy, 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 holy. It's gonna make you sound like a pro even when you're not. And that's the rest of the song. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves to play piano and who would love to learn.